Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Street Crypto here, back for another video. In today's video, I want to talk about the Voyager token and give you guys a price prediction. So the Voyager token, or VGX, is currently sitting at $5.13, seeing around about a 40% increase in the last 24 hours, sitting in a market cap of just under $1.5 billion and a volume increase of nearly 1,700%. If we have a look at the all-time charts, we can see that Voyager has all-time highs over $10 back in 2018, and then hit lows of 2.7 cents in mid-2019, and then saw a later run-up to $7 back earlier this year. Now, quickly, if you don't know what Voyager Token is, so the Voyager Token is a cryptocurrency broker that provides investors with a trusted and secure access point to crypto assets and trading. So Voyager is built to serve both retail and institutional investors with a high-instant solution for trading crypto assets. So essentially, it is a broker, much like we've seen in some of the exchanges, but it has different kind of services related to crypto, including credit cards and staking opportunities that I'll get into a little bit later. Now, the first story I want to mention is that Voyager Digital has integrated a Voyager token into CoinFi's crypto payment platform. So it announced the integration of the Voyager token into a cryptocurrency payment platform, which means merchant payments service in 150 plus countries. Now, why is this important? Well, it means that the Voyager token can now be used directly for merchant payments in over 150 countries and with over 30,000 merchants globally. And the reason why this is such a big thing is because Voyager Digital is trying to step into the gap between fiat and crypto. And what I mean by that is trying to increase the adoption of payment services using crypto by using their token, and they're offering a lot of rewards, not only for using their platform, but for also having your funds locked or staked in them as well. So the main thing I want to mention is you can earn crypto up to 9% on their platform, and they've now announced a new debit card, as we can see here. Invest Voyager is launching a USDC linked debit card that will allow cardholders to earn rewards and spend crypto on daily purchases. Now, this is really, really big because this card will allow you to, buy anything with crypto, and you can also earn interest on USDC up to 10% a year. So that's better than most investments out there right now. Even the stock market really struggles to give you 10% reliably. So this 9% yield is paid in USDC, and this is a really good sign. If you want a secure investment and a secure return on your money, having something like a debit card that you can use every day, as well as having a 10% to 9% yield on your money, is a really, really good option for those of you who are wanting to explore crypto payment services. Now, the last thing I want to get into is just some quick TA and why we've seen such a run-up just in the last sort of 16 hours. We've seen it go up nearly 56% at its highs. Now, the main reason for that is actually the exchanges. So it just launched on Binance and Coinbase just a few days ago. On Binance, it was around 20 hours ago, and then on Coinbase, it was announced around about 5 or 6 days ago. So we've seen a massive run-up since around about the 16th of November, where we saw this announcement, and it's gone up nearly 100% since then. So where do we go from here, and is it a good time to invest in Voyax? Well, we've seen this massive run-up, and the thing we're expecting right now is this upward trend line. So obviously, we look a little bit overextended. Having a look at the MACD, it's really approaching levels that we haven't really seen before. Now, that is mainly because of the increase in volume. And then if we have a look at the RSI as well, we can see it is certainly getting up there. Now, one thing I want to note is the bearish divergence we're seeing. So the bearish divergence is when RSI is decreasing, however, price is still increasing. Now, why is this a bearish thing or a bad thing? Well, because this means that the strength of the move is slowly decreasing. So it means that a reversal is looking more and more likely as this move goes on. Now, obviously, if you sold at $4, you would have missed out on $5, but that's not really something you can predict always in crypto, and it's been pumped a lot by news recently. So I wouldn't suggest hopping into Voyager at this very second. The main reason for that is because of its listing on Binance. Obviously, there's a huge increase in volume, and a huge, just a lot of FOMO in it right now. So if you wanted to hop into Voyager, sorry, you have to wait until we see some kind of correction. Now this correction will be at least 10%, I'd say, because whales and people who are holding their token from earlier in the year at $2 or even at 20 cents back in mid 2019, they're going to be wanting to take profits. So I would wait for some kind of support. I imagine we'll find support similar to this level at around about this low wick right here at $4.2. Now this is not going to be an exact amount. It could go a little bit lower, a little bit higher, but I imagine waiting for a regression of over 10 to 15% is something that you want to look out for. Now this definitely will happen. This regression will come, guys. Trust me, it always comes, because as we see, the volume is just massive in the last 24 hours. So once we see a decrease in volume, obviously there's going to be a little bit decrease in price as well. But that was just a quick video on the Voyager token. If you guys want to check out any other cryptos, let me know down below. But I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.